The 2015 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.